How to make a new key by MOTOSCAN TAB, when all keys are lost. Welcomes to DTD Auto Vietnam. This is a Honda Vario, 2018 to 2020, that has lost all keys, FOB. The SCU of the Honda Vario is coded K59. Without the tools and methods, it will be very difficult for you to make a new key. So, how to make a new key quickly with the MOTOSCAN tab? Today, we will use MOTOSCAN tab to make a new key for this Honda Vario. The function is effective, fast and very easy to perform. The high success rate is only available in high-end diagnostic machines like MOTOSCAN tab. As we know, to be able to make a new key when all keys are lost, it is necessary to have the key ID of the previous key that has been used as a guarantee to do. So now, let's use MOTOSCAN tab with me to do this. From the main interface of the MOTOSCAN tab device, select Smart Key. Select Honda Manufacturer. Select K59 SCU. Select Read Key, ECMID from SCU, function.
Require caution to ensure the safety of the device before reading the ID hash or data from the SCU, possibly because the SCU has been burned out before. You should use a test meter as follows. 1. D point is not shorted to ground GND. 2. D point is not shorted to plus 12 volts power.
If the SCU is not original, you need to perform the measurement and check hardware according to the instructions. With this SCU, I have performed the measurement and check hardware safety according to the instructions, and this SCU meets the conditions well. I click the Continue button on the right to continue.
Require use Honda SMK cable PN, MTB08LV02 to connect MOTOSCAN tab with SCU. Connect signal wire to position on SCU as instruction image.
Use cable code MTB08LV02. With this type of SCU, we need to cut the plastic cover to connect the data cable to the SCU. You can use a specialized tool to cut the plastic shell. Next, use a soldering iron to solder data cable to the SCU according to the instructions. Next, we connect the SCU to the MOTOSCAN tab. Press the right button to continue.
Notes: absolutely do not touch the signal wire to the 12 volts power when the power is connected. Do not touch the wires or circuits of the SCU while reading and writing data.
Note: need to perform and ensure the requirements of MOTOSCAN tab to read key ID. Press the right button to continue.
Information: MOTOSCAN tab is reading key ID and ECMID inside SCU. Please wait.
Please wait about 5 minutes for MOTOSCAN tab to read and analyze data from SCU. Yes, so MOTOSCAN tab has read ECMID and key ID from the SCU. We can take a screenshot to save the information. Then follow the instructions to remove the 2 data reading wires from the SCU. Keep the programming cable plugged into the ECU to continue. Press the right button to continue.
Require. Prepare key ID on the plastic card of lost FOB or read key ID from SCU. Prepare new FOB unregistered.
Request new key preparation and key ID guarantee. Press the right button to continue.
Answer in question. Do you have a key ID?
New key and key ID guarantee ready. Press the right button to continue.
Require. Please enter key ID full 9 digits into below text box.
Key ID has been automatically entered by MOTOSCAN tab. You do not need to enter it again. Press the right button to continue.
Information. MOTOSCAN.
Require. Turn off all FOBs. Press and hold key icon on FOB. FOB LED, from green to red. Power off all keys. FOB. Press the right button to continue.
Information. MOTOSCAN. Information. MOTOSCAN tab is declaring key ID automatically. Please wait.
You need to wait a few minutes for MOTOSCAN tab to automatically declare the key ID to register the key.
Require. Turn on the key that you need to register. Press and hold key icon on FOB. LED on FOB changes from red to green.
New key fob power on. Press the right button to continue.
Information. Congratulations, key registration FOB successful. Press the continue button to check the completion of FOB and SCU registration. Press the exit button to exit.
Yes, so MOTOSCAN tab has successfully registered and created a new key, FOB, synchronized with the vehicle's SCU. We can press the continue button to check and complete the registration procedure.
Information. MOTOSCAN tab is require. Please turn on used FOB. Press and hold key icon on FOB. LED on FOB changes from red to green. Information. Report. FOB is registered and activated with SCU.
Great, the new key, FOB, and Smart Key Control Unit, SCU, have been registered and synchronized with each other. Now, you can plug the SCU into the motorbike and unlock it. Now the engine can start as normal. So, you have seen the great function of MOTOSCAN tab. The instructions are very detailed, intuitive, beautiful graphic images, clear, specific and simple to use in key programming. You think that key registration is complicated, but with MOTOSCAN tab, it is easy. Wishing you success with MOTOSCAN tab. Please like and share this video for more people to know, and also encourage us to make more video clips for your reference. Please see the next clip about MOTOSCAN tab. Thank you very much, goodbye and see you soon.